correctly place it. So lot lakara, parasmepadi I have already taught you. Bhavatu, bhavatam, bhavantu, bhava, bhavatam, bhavata, bhavani, bhavava, bhavama. You have already seen the videos and learned it. Correct? Patatu, patatam, patantu, patha, patatam, patata, patani, patava, patama. That is the lot form. Request, ajna, anumati, ashirvada, prarthana. This is all lot forms. Request, entreaty. I think the Pravesha book, it is written as request, I think. I don't know whether it is written as, yeah, it is written as request. So lot means, depends upon the tone. It has got a mood and the tense. So there is no tense in this. It's a mood. Bhavan karotu, request. Bhavan karotu, with raising the voice, it means it's an order. Bhavan sateva karotu, it means it's a kind of an ashirvada. You do that only. All the best, all the kind of stuff. So lot atmanepadi, we'll take all the 9 forms and take some dhadus and do it. Bhashate, bhashate, already the meanings of bhashate, swadate, ityukte, aswadanam karotu, swadate, aswadanam karotu. Dayate means to fly. Sahate means to tolerate. Parikshate means to examine. Bhashate in the lot form will become bhashatam. Bhavan bhashatam. Bhavan aap baat karo. You please speak. Swadate. Bhavan swadatam. You enjoy it. You appreciate it. You enjoy it. Swadatam. Dayate. Dayatam. Which means please fly. Or it's like an order. It's a request to fly. Sahate. Please tolerate. Sahatam. Please tolerate. Lot lakara. It's a request. Or it can be an order. It can be an entreaty, depending upon the mood or the way in which you say that. Parikshatam. Please examine. Parikshatam. When the teacher is saying, it means you have to do the exam. You have to try the experiment or try and do it. Parikshatam. Pariksham karotu. Tadeva. So the meanings already in the lot lakara parasmepadi I have explained. The ekavachana prathama purushasya lot lakara atmanepadi form is what I am stressing here. The meaning is already taught in the previous class. Bhashate, bhashatam. Swadudatu, swadatam. Dayate, dayatam. Sahate, sahatam. Parikshate, parikshatam. Ekanamsham. Now this is ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam eva. Bhashatam, bhashetam, bhashantam. Bhavan bhashatam. Aap baat karo. You please speak. Bhavantau bhashetam. You both of you speak. Bhavantaha bhashantam. All of you bhavan, you all speak. Tvam bhashasva. Yuvam bhashedham. Yuyam bhashadvam. Aham bhashai. Can I speak? May I speak? It's a request. Aham bhashai. Avam bhashavahai. Can we both, two of us, can we speak? Vayam bhashamahai. Can all of us, can we speak? Vayam bhashamahai. Again, our cheat sheet method. The cheat sheet method is very important. Either store it in a mobile or store it in a piece of paper and always keep it with some cheat sheets. And then later on, whenever you want it, you will take it. I have a small doubt. What is the Uttama Purusha Dvivachanam of Bhash Dhatu in Lot Lakara? Immediately you will take the paper. Oh, Bhasha Vahai. Avam Bhasha Vahai. After some time, you don't need a cheat sheet because it's already ingrained into your brain. It is not that I am an expert on all this. I am also learning myself and I make so many mistakes. I hope I have not made mistakes in the class. Because that you can also, I only, those videos are more than for you. The videos are for me to check what I have said in the class. Because sometimes it's such a tongue twister that you might make a mistake. Instead of saying 3 into 4 is 12, you might say 3 into 4 is 10 or 8. You don't normally say that. It's Kandasikaranam Karananantaram, 3 into 4, 3 into 4, 12. It automatically comes to you without even thinking about it. But sometimes, slip of tongue can happen. So I'm very careful. So wherever I come to this class, the first thing I do is to Vande Guru Parambaram, and I also thank Lord of Saraswati for giving the opportunity to teach you whatever knowledge I have, whatever little knowledge I have, and also not to make any slip of the tongue in this class, because there are 30-35 people listening, and whatever I say is what will get into your brain the first time, and that is what will you carry for a long time. So I don't want to make mistakes, and I pray to God as I should not be consciously or unconsciously, subconsciously making mistakes. Coming to the cheat sheet, lot lakara, there is no adagama in this. Dhatu plus atam, etam, antam. Dhatu plus aswa, edham, advam. Dhatu plus I. In Sanskritam, there is no a and it is actually a. It is not a. It is I. In Sanskritam, a is written as dirgha swaram. A I. I is there in Malayalam and other languages, but A is not there in Sanskritam. It is A and I. So just that without that thing on the top, if it is written, it is A, and if the thing on the top, that line on the top is there, it is I. So I, avahai, amahai. Atam, etam, antam, aswa, edham, advam. I, avahai, amahai. Now let us take some commonly known dhatus. All these dhatus you know already. Vand dhatu, vandanam karotu. Prakash dhatu, you know the meaning of it. Spardh dhatu, to compete. Probably you have not learned this dhatu. Dhatu means to guess. Ganitam uhatu. Uhatam. Ganitam uhatam. Itukte mathematics. Ganitam eva. Ganitam is karma padam here. So bhavan ganitam uhatam itukte, you have to guess. Please guess. Uhatam. One minute. Mod means to enjoy, to anandam karutu, ahladam karutu eva mod. So vand plus atam, vandatam, vand plus etam. This is all lot lakara forms. I am repeating. Lot lakara means request, entreaty, command, vidhi, ashirvadam, permission. This is all lot lakara eva. Vand plus atam, vandatam, vand plus etam, vandetam, vand plus antam, vandantam, vand plus aswa, vandaswa, vand plus edham, vandedham, vand plus adhvam, vandadhvam, vand plus I, vandai, vand plus avahai, vandavahai, vand plus amahai, vandamahai. Vand already I think we talked about bhash dhatu here. But vand means same. Vand means to bow down and to pay respect. Aham vandai. May I do vandanam? Avam vandavahai. May we too or can we too do vandanam? Vayam vandamahai. Can we all do vandanam? It's a request. You're asking permission. You're seeking permission. Prakash dhatu. Prakashatam. Prakashetam. Prakashantam, Prakashaswa, Prakashedham, Prakashadhvam, Prakashai, Prakashavahai, Prakashamahai. Spardh dhatu. Spardh means to compete. Spardhatam, Spardhetam, Spardhantam, Spardhaswa, Spardhedham, Spardhadhvam, Spardhai, Spardhavahai, Spardhamahai. Dhatu. Bhavan Ganitam uhatam. It means Bhavan, mathematics paper is there. You guess the answer. You guess the Ganitam. You guess. Means to guess. Bhavantau Ganitam uhetam. You two fellows standing in front of me right now. Bhavantau Ganitam. Ganitam is karma patameva. Ataha Ganitam eva. Ganitam uhetam. Bhavantaha Ganitam uhantam. Tvam ganitam uhaswa. Yuvam ganitam uhedham. Yuyam ganitam uhadhvam. Aham ganitam uhai. Can I guess the answer for this question? Can I do the mathematics question? Can I guess it? Aham ganitam uhai. Avam ganitam uhavahai. Vayam ganitam uhamahai. Mod dhatu. Mod means to celebrate, to enjoy, to anandam karotu, sarva modade. Modatam, modetam, modantam, modaswa, modedam, modadhvam, modai, modavahai, modamahai. Vand, we have already done that. Sparth, to compete, we already done that. I think I did Sparth here already. We already did that. Mod, we already did that. Shamatam, Shamatam ityukte, so we have got 4 more dhatus. Shamatam ityukte, Shamam karotu. Shamam karotu ityukte, I don't know, to pardon somebody. Trayatam ityukte, Rakshanam karotu. Trayate, I told you all that in the earlier class, in the earlier session. Trayatam ityukte, Rakshanam karotu, protect. Durjanaha, Sajjanam. Trayatam ityukte, sorry, Durjanaha Sajjanam Trayatam Sheshamyatam. Sajjanaha Sajjanam Trayatam ityukte, you have to, Sajjana will protect, have to protect, may protect, should protect, request. Sajjanam Trayatam. Pashatam, I think already Bhash Dhatu we did in the first one here, so we will not repeat it within the interest of time. Ikshatam means to see. Vikshanam karotu. Katadeva Ikshatam. So on this page, we will only do Shamatam, Trayatam and Ikshatam, because all the other 5, Vand, Spard, Uha, Mod, Bhash, we have already done that. In the interest of time, I will only do Shamatam and Trayatam and Ikshatam. Shamatam, Shametam, Shamantam, Shamaswa, Shamedham, Shamadhvam, Shamai, Shamavahai, Shamamahai. Trayatam, Lot Lakara, Atmanepadyeva. Trayatam, Trayetam, Trayantam, Trayasva, Trayedham, Trayadhvam, Trayai, Trayavahai, Trayamahai. Ikshatam, to see. Ikshatam, Ikshetam, Ikshantam, Ikshasva, Ikshedham, Ikshathvam, Ikshai, Ikshavahai, Ikshamahai. That is it. That is it. I quickly finished the Lot Lakara form. Now gets to